Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a smooth, evenly lit green surface. Remove creases and tape edges so there are no shadows. Place your camera 6 to 10 feet away and mark the subject position. This helps avoid green spill. Set up 2 to 3 soft lights, one key, one fill, and a backlight angled to separate the subject from the screen. Once done, check through the lens for hot spots and adjust diffusion until the green looks uniform without bright streaks. Now you tune camera and lights so the chroma key will work cleanly. Put your camera in manual mode, lock white balance, set aperture and shutter for proper exposure, and keep ISO low to avoid noise. Light the green so it reads about 10 to 20% brighter than your subject. Add flags or grids to stop spill on hair and clothes. Once set, confirm with a waveform or histogram and make small aperture or light adjustments. Finish by recording test footage and inspecting edges and color bleed in your editor. You should wear non-green clothing and move through typical motions so you can see how hair and transparent materials behave. In post, sample the green to create the matte, then refine similarity, edge shrink/expand, and spill suppression to preserve natural skin tones. If you still see fringing or uneven keying, increase distance between subject and screen, flatten lighting more, or recalibrate your camera. That one fix usually clears residual problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.